Is that the button? Okay. Hola YouTube. Me llamo es Karan. ¿Cómo estás? Okay, in today's video, we're going to be doing a mukbang. Which is, I don't know if it might be an interesting video, but I felt like I had to make a video to accommodate for lost time. And also I told y'all that I was bilingual. Just getting out there now. So today I can't really see, so if you see me squinting, it's because I got my eyes dilated, so I'm a little illegally blind. So I have rice with apple salad dressing. Yeah. Okay. This is, see, it's still blurry. So what I'm going to assume is, since they both right here is the same color, I'm going to say this is the rice, this is, no, this is the salad, this is the rice, and that's the fish. Salmon and, and chicken fried rice. Okay, because me being sort of semi-blind is kind of throwing me off. And I'm going to be wearing glasses, so don't get weirded out. Oh my god, okay. So today's going to be... Today is going to be an interesting video. That's what I forgot. Wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. Got stuck in my chest. Okay. Still can feel it in my chest. So, So this is the fit. This is the rice, and that's the fish. So today's gonna be an interesting video because what makes it interesting is that I was trying, before I started filming, I tried to think of something to talk about while I eat, but I couldn't think of any. So, if you like staring at unhumanly looking ugly people eat quietly, maybe quiet, on top of a popcorn box, feel free to keep watching. Oh, and also, I meant to tell her or ask her this when I was at the eye clinic, like literally 5-8 minutes ago. I want to shout out to Ashley. You know who you are, girl. You know who you are, girl. For helping me with my eye situation for making me go from non-blind, blind, half-blind to semi-blind and can still see. Let's see what else. I'm back again for a probably second or third time within a long year period. How are y'all doing today? Y'all doing good? Doing good? Oh, thanks, I'm looking nice today. Thanks for saying that. Even though I don't believe it, but thank you. Listen. Oh, what have I been up to? Thanks for asking. Nice question. Wonderful question. Perfect question. Much of nothing. Trying to, perfect my YouTube channel. Even though I already know what you're thinking. How can you perfect something that you used to sort of be on a schedule and then now you just post once every damn year? But I will let y'all know, for the 5 of you, hopefully at least, let it be at least a lot of people, at least by the number of 7. So the 7 of you may be watching. I thank you. And I forgot what the hell I was gonna say. Oh, and I don't know why I did that. I don't know. This is the first time I've ever gotten my eyes dilated where I felt like me being semi-blind for a couple of hours makes me, I don't know why I feel drunk. So, I literally forgot what I was talking about. What was I talking about? The 5 of you, then turn to 7. Oh, what I will say, now that I hopefully still have y'all on camera, for the people that's watching in the far future, maybe a year or 2 later from now, in the future, hi, welcome all of you, if you're watching this in the future. Excuse me. I was hoping for another one. But, I don't know why I'm kind of feeling like I want to fart right now. But, anyway, for the people that's watching this in the future, hi, welcome to this horrible, ugly of a thing they call a human, call a boy, called Quran. Thanks for watching. I don't know why you're watching from the future. How is the future? Are we flying? Are we still driving? Is it still recording? First of all. Okay, yes it is. Are we still walking? Are we still exercising? Are we dead? Are we not dead? Are we still miserable? Are we still fat? Are we still skinny? Are we still average? Are we still short, small, tall, skinny, thin, obese, dark, light, mid-skinned, pale, vampire, wolf, or orgy. Just let me know for like the future people, and also I will also say we made it for the future people. We made it to 1 million subscribers. We made it. Now for my present people that's watching this, the 7 of you, 5, hopefully 3 people. Excuse me. You won't really get what I'm saying, but to the people in the future, far future, maybe a year from now, maybe 2, who knows, maybe 1,000 years from now. If 1,000 years from now, my videos are still on this YouTube and not taken down, corrupted, shot, deleted, stolen, bought, shitted out of a hole and became a baby, shot down a trash chute, ate by a human being, who knows. I'm surprised why you're even still watching me 1,000 years from now, but I thank you, oddly enough, that you would even care to see an ugly, bloated chimpanzee whale as myself in front of a screen, trying to not look at you so that you won't get so offended and scared and petrified and horrified of me that you end up calling your local sheriff's office or local police station and saying there is a very wild animal, alien-like creature running amok in YouTube, on a camera, in front of a screen, in front of your face, while you're talking to animal services, animal protection, human protection services, CIA, FBI, the government, the president, United States of America, even probably Cuba, who knows, maybe even China officials, to try to take down this very disgusting, dissected looking, deformed like creature they call a wildebeest. But if you're still watching, I thank you. And for people in the future, like I said, we made it to 1 million subscribers. So give it up for your, I was gonna say boy, but that's a lie. We both, me, you, my mom, my family, my friends, my dead people that get me, the miserable people, the lovely people, wonderful, nice people, evil people, criminals even, ghosts, demons, angels. Hey, what's up? What's up down there? What's up here? What's up over there? And creatures alike and amongst us, and the wolf among us. All know I am no boy. I am neither boy nor human. I am a creature from a far away galaxy that you've never heard the name of or even knew existed, let alone I knew existed, let alone me even knowing that the name of it, let alone maybe a number. So yeah, so this, let's call it a thing, made it. Okay, from 121 or 134 subscribers, or 4 subscribers, let's say at first, to now 1 million for my future folk. And if you're seeing this, please comment down hashtag future folk. I don't know. Hashtag future beasts. Yeah, let's go with that. Hashtag future beasts. Maybe future miserable, still miserable people. Who knows? But yeah. So for my future people, that is. Present people, hey. So that was all. That was it. I couldn't really think of anything else funny that this human brain can think of at the moment, since I'm still as blind as Steve. I forgot the joke. What's the blind man? That blind human. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. I forgot his name. An old black male singer who was blind. I feel like it's a Steve. I was gonna say Steve Irwin, but different race, different personality. Forgot his name. So him. Let's just say we were as blind as a bat and an old woman at a laundry store trying to put her laundry into the machine and realizing and trying to put dollar bills in it, realizing that it's not even dollar bills. It is $10 bills, let alone $100 bills, let alone that she forgot that she was rich and forgot that she needed coins instead of $100 bills to try to put inside of the machine to get her very 5XS clothes down to a 10XS clothes for her to fit, let alone she is 129. So with all that said, if you made it to the end of this video, from the personal words of Batman's shadow, if you think this face is